Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris Garcia, CEO and owner of GSP Studio, and now more recently the founder of Remember Mixed Reality. So first off, I want to say thank you to everyone that came to my class at SPAC, guys. It was an amazing reception to see the love and the traction that there's something of a new idea that I had is now getting out there in the professional world. I want to thank the board. I want to thank Corey, especially for having me out there to share this technology with everybody. I was really excited to show it out there. A little bit worried, right? Something completely new, but it was really great, guys, and I want to thank you all for that. So what is mixed reality? Mixed reality, guys, is combining the real world with the digital world, right? So we're a step below virtual reality, and we're right there with augmented reality, which augmented reality is essentially just layering something on top. So let me show you guys what this means for our industry and what we're doing. All right, guys, so what we can see here is just my regular business card. Nothing crazy, traditional printed business card that we've had for 100 years, right? So now what we're able to do is we go through, we have the QR code. When you scan the QR code, it says ready to play. So you click on that. Ready to play comes up. This little portion right here will say to load up. You hit play. Okay, then your experience will load onto the camera. What this video is looking for, we call this the trigger. When the camera then sees the trigger.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris Garcia from Remember Mixed Reality and GSP Studio. Just want to say thank you for taking the time to scan the card. If you have any questions or you're ready to make your own mixed reality experience, feel more than free to click the banner below and we'll get you guys started on your own journey. Bye, talk to you soon.
So how does it work, right? So I just showed you something crazy and probably blew your mind. So you're wondering, how can I do this myself? So the way this works, guys, we create a platform that what we do is we create the original product. So in my case, we designed the business card, right? But we left a spot for the QR code in the bottom corner with instructions to say, please scan here for a special message, right? Then what we do is you go onto our platform. When you go onto our platform after you purchase a credit, you're able to download a QR code. The QR code is essentially the window to the product. So you download the QR code, you then place it onto the product that you want to come to life. Then what happens is you also have your video product that needs to be sized to the same exact ratio. So if you've got a 4:5 image, you need a 4:5 ratio video to match that, right? So then what we do is when you go back up to our platform, you would then upload the photo with the QR code, and this is what we call the trigger. The trigger is essentially what the AI looks for when it goes to play the product, right? So once it's then, what you do is on the next screen of after you upload the trigger image is then uploading the video experience, right? So once you upload the video, biggest thing to remember, guys, is file size needs to be under 500 megabytes to start right now. So other than that, length of time does not matter. It's the biggest thing is worrying about that file size. And after the file size is done, you actually have the opportunity to do a call to action banner. And what that call to action banner is simply a banner that goes at the very bottom of the experience that can redirect your customers over to a website. For instance, it could be the school's Spirit store, so they can buy Spirit shirts or season tickets to the games. It can redirect you to a link tree with multiple links available to different customers as well. So your imagination really is your limitation on that one right there. So obviously at this point, you gotta be wondering, what's the investment, right? So cool thing is guys, is to start off, these products are gonna cost you via credit space. And what it is each credit is $40. And what that breaks down to is $25 for the actual technology, that no app is necessary, just the QR code to scan to come to life. And then $15 for the first year of hosting, right? But here's the good thing. Because we are doing a launching this year, we are doing a launch special for everybody out there in the world. So what you can actually do right now is purchase a credit for $35, and that'll include 3 years of hosting. So you can save up to $50 for every single credit. Right, so for these credits as well that have the longer hosting, not only would I say for your first customers to become early adopters to kind of treat them a little bit more, but the second thing you can also do is think about for your business. Think about training your employees. What are the things, the marketing pieces for your business? One of the small little features, guys, if something does mess up, you can always re-upload the photo on the back end as well. And again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video and everything. I just want to let you guys know the vision that I have for this product in the future is I really wanted to create a platform that us photographers, professionals can create products that we can still profit from years in the future from now. All right. Thank you guys so much. Again, my name is Chris Garcia from Remember Mixed Reality. I look forward to seeing you guys out there soon. And don't forget, smile big and don't just create memories, remember them.